Again, a Tiprasa man was seriously injured in a collision between a bike number TR01P5234 and a car number TR07E0228 in the area of Bishramganj Adivasi Colony area. Agitated mob at the spot vandalized the accident car. It is learned that, like other days, Sanjit Debarma, a resident of Pramod Nagar area, was going home from his rubber plantation with bike number TR01P5234 when he collided with a small car number TR07A0228 coming from the opposite direction. Bike rider Sanjit Debarma was injured after being hit by a car. Eyewitness rescued the injured Sanjit Debarma from the spot and took him to the primary health center in Bishramganj.
Gario Khorbusu of Pala.
Sashin Basu, I'm Rawat Bagan, my nephew,
And you Shimunga?
and it's not the promoter.
On the other hand, the agitated crowd vandalized the accident car. After receiving the information about the incident, the police of Bishramganj police station recovered the accident bike and the car and took it to Bishramganj police station. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.